So now there's something going on Facebook. A lot of people are like, hey, is it okay if I use other people's content? Because now I need to cash out on Facebook. My own content are not working and all that. Yes, my darling, it's actually okay to use other people's content. Now, hear me out. Hi, guys, your favorite girl, Lovelies TV. You have to sort of like fine tune it. Now, if someone has a content, maybe your favorite celebrity will probably be making money already on that content. So you want to twist it a bit. You want to make it like a reported speech. You want to add your voice inside. It could just be a simple editing you can do on TikTok or do on CapCut, InShot, and all that. Just simple here and there. Obviously, like you need to just check out how to edit. Trust me, editing is a lot of work, but it is possible. For someone like me that hated editing to learn editing, trust me, there's no one on planet Earth that cannot learn editing, especially the simple ones here and there for like, your post on Facebook and all that. So back to the Facebook gist. All you need to do, and this is a content you can post anywhere anyways, I'm just saying personalize it. It could be as little as you just speeding up the conversation from your favorite celebrity. It could just be you changing something or you adding your photo. You know those videos you're watching, and people like us, content creators, actually just put like a small picture of us there talking or syncing to it, and we have a voiceover under. You could do something like that and just make the content a little bit different, and that way it becomes your own and you could get paid for it. The only way it gets a bit tricky now is some content creators have actually tagged their posts. Yes, they've actually gone to, I think, distro. If there's a way you can actually report like your post to say, okay, you know what, I want to copyright my content, it's just for me. But guess what? This has happened to me before where someone came, one MC, whatever, and he was like, oh, that post is mine. And I'm like, okay, I got this post on Instagram. Now, I think it was something about a wedding. Yeah. And I'm like, I appealed, because you can appeal. There's a part where it comes to you. If you check your support on Facebook, they will tell you that this person is claiming copyright. Obviously, when I use music, like for instance, I use Tenny's music, Money, and then they're like, Tenny's brand is claiming copyright to your music. Do you want to accept it to share revenue? Of course, it's not my song. I accept that. You get, but this guy, he's a hustler like me. He's like a content creator, and then he just put his picture there. He didn't even change anything. He just put his picture. That was all he did. No special write-up, nothing. And then I post the picture and Facebook is telling me, oh, there's a copyright claim. No, I appealed. I went and organized a very nice message. I'm like, he himself, is he the one on the video? Is he the one in the video? Is it the bride? Is it the groom? Is he any of the wedding attendants? How does he think he has right to take over the video? If he was the one in the video, obviously, then I can say, okay, you know what, I want to share ad revenue with him. But he's not the one in the video. He's just a content creator like me that took people's content and made it his own. He didn't even bother to do any editing or anything. And it's coming to claim. And I won that case, guys. Yes. Facebook sent me a message back to say, okay, this case has been closed. So that's it. So just keep pushing when it comes to this online. Keep pushing people's content. You twist it here and there. Trust me, you will make it big. It's just little steps here and there. Let's talk about more things that you want to learn about, and I'll be able to do a video to teach you guys a little I've learned in my Facebook journey for a long time now. Let's talk about it in the comment section. It's your favorite girl, Lovelies TV.